Welcome back. Today, Walmart is reporting a strong finish to its fiscal year with quarterly earnings and revenue that beat Wall Street expectations. Despite good results, executives sounded cautious about this coming year, with inflation continuing to put pressure on shoppers. Arkansas business editor Lance Turner joins us now. And Lance, Walmart says it crossed a key milestone for the first time ever.
Yeah, that's right. CEO Doug McMillon told investment analysts in a conference call that for the first time ever, Walmart annual revenue surpassed $600 billion. So for all of fiscal 2023, which for them runs from February 1st to January 31st of the following year, Walmart posted revenue of $611 billion. That was up nearly 7% from the previous year. And then looking specifically at the fourth quarter, that's the holiday quarter, a very crucial time period for any retailer. Walmart reported earnings of $6.3 billion. That was up 76% from the same time last year, and revenue of $164 billion, up 7% from last year. And then looking at different parts of Walmart's business, its U.S. Stores saw same-store sales up more than 7%. E-commerce continued to rise. That's been a key story for them, up 17%. And Sam's Club, a really interesting story, continued its streak of double-digit sales growth, just as the company is prepared to build out about 30 new Sam's Club stores across the country over the next 5 years.
Obviously, great numbers for Walmart, but there's been a lot of uncertainty about the economy and how inflation is impacting shoppers. What does Walmart see there?
So Walmart sees shoppers continuing to be very under pressure by high prices, and it's making shoppers be more picky about where they shop and the kinds of items that they purchase. Walmart continues to see shoppers going for essential items, things like groceries, instead of other kinds of merchandise. And that was a big story last year because Walmart, when inflation set in, found that shoppers shifted their buying away from things like electronics and apparel and into groceries, and Walmart had to get its inventory right to meet those kinds of demands. Walmart says that it has done that, and it is now focused very much on the things that people are buying in a high price environment.
So what does Walmart think about the new fiscal year upcoming and how its business will perform?
Well, Walmart gave a forecast for its first quarter and full fiscal year, but it's not giving guidance for its second, third, and fourth quarters. Basically, the company is expecting sales to be strong in the first half of the year and then moderate in the second half of the year. And CFO John David Rainey said he expects high prices to continue to weigh on consumers this year. And in that light, McMillon said that they frankly don't know what spending will look like in the end of the year. And so they're being very conservative about their predictions. So for the full fiscal year, Walmart expects consolidated net sales to rise between 2.5% and 3%. Wall Street was a little underwhelmed the first thing this morning when they heard that forecast. They wanted to see more, and Walmart stock fell in pre-market trading, but it largely recovered by the end of the day.
All right, Lance, thanks. We're all feeling the pinch. You can read more about this at arkansasbusiness.com.